Hello everyone and welcome back to the Growing Cars Show. Today we're unboxing a bold and futuristic diecast, the Hot Wheels Monteracer, code HYX09, from the HWX Racers Series 2025. This model is number 63 out of 250 for the year and belongs to Case P, a stunning 1/64 scale design blending speed and style with its transparent purple body and bright yellow cockpit. The Monteracer is part of the X Racers lineup, known for semi-transparent bodies and striking liveries. This piece features purple clear plastic, black wheels with purple trim, and a golden front grille with multiple headlights. Its open cockpit design really makes it stand out on the track and on display, a real eye-catcher for collectors of futuristic diecasts. The real Monteracer is a Hot Wheels original concept, but inspired by modern endurance prototypes and Le Mans-style racers. Imagine a mid-mounted 5.0L V8 pushing about 500 horsepower, capable of over 320 km/h, with a 0 to 100 acceleration in just 3.2 seconds. It's a fantasy ride that embodies the dream of speed and cutting-edge aerodynamics. This model also connects to Hot Wheels' Let's Race Netflix series, making it a must-have for fans of both diecasts and the animated show. Whether you're into dioramas, unboxings, or pure collecting passion, the Monteracer adds that extra flair to any 1/64 garage. Stay tuned for more, and let's keep growing our collection together.